everyone, it's Lissette here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. This is Modelone's Sexy Mix PolyGel Nail Kit. This was part of their PR package that they had sent me. Right when you open it up, they give you a little card with a 20% coupon on it. And then they have the instructions on how to prep your nails, how to apply them and take them off. Some dried flowers, 6 different glitters, a pack of different colored rhinestones, 10 different colors of striping tape, a pack of curved dual forms, a pack of double thick nail forms, a 100-180 grit nail file, a double-sided tool that has a brush on one side and the picker on the other, the base and top coat, PolyGel slip solution, curved tweezers, and lastly 3 different PolyGel colors: clear, light pink, and a pure white. I already had an idea in my head of what kind of nails I wanted to do. So the first step I needed to do, take some of the clear PolyGel, and then I'm going to mix this red and the gold glitter, and I really wanted it to turn out into like this glittery orangey burnt orange color. I really wanted to do some full nail designs. So right now, like I said, I'm just taking some glitter and I'm going to mix it into the PolyGel. I've already prepped my nail beds. I did my 180 sanding band, pushed back the cuticles. Now I'm going in with the base coat and I'm going to add a thin layer, and then I will be curing this for 60 seconds in my LED UV nail lamp. For this set, I'm going to use the double thick nail forms. If you've seen the other PolyGel nail video that I did use the dual form. So for this set, I was excited to try the forms itself to see how it differs from dual forms. So after adding my nail forms, I am going to do it one at a time. I think it's just easier for me to do it one at a time. I'm going to get my PolyGel slip solution ready. I'm using that cap. So I'm just going to do a full nail of this glitter mix that I created. And honestly, you don't need a lot of that slip solution to try to move this product around. And I found it was very easy to create this nail. So I'm only sculpting the bottom half of this nail, and then when I'm happy with the shape of it, I flash cure it for 30 seconds, and then I come back with another bead, and this is where I start going a little closer to my cuticle area, making sure that it is just clean, and then I blend it downwards, and then when I'm happy with it, I flash cure it for the full 60 seconds. This is what it looks like fully cured. So once I removed that form, I did go back under the light to cure the underneath side, but I was actually really happy with how they came out. So onto my ring finger, I am going to take a little bit of that pink color, and it is very translucent. So I just added a little bit to that free edge section, and then I'm just going to blend it a little bit downwards, and this is just going to create a little transition from that free edge to that tip that I want to sculpt. After that, I'm going to add a little bit of the glitter mix to the tip section, and then I'm going to form a little bit of a design, kind of like blending it upwards to one side only. I wanted this nail to be kind of see-through. I'm going to use the red and the orange dried flowers for this set. So I just took 2 of each, and I'm going to add it to the nails. And I didn't cure the gel yet because I wanted the gel to still be sticky. So after I added the flowers where I did want it, that's when I flash cured it for 30 seconds. I took the clear and I laid a good amount of gel right down the middle of it, and this is where I start encapsulating the flowers and the glitter. After I encapsulated the snail, I did cure it for the full 60 seconds. I did notice you can't add too much of that slip solution because then it just gets the gel really loose and it ends up acting somewhat kind of like a builder gel. So for the middle finger, I'm going to do just a full nail of that light pink color. For the ring finger, I'm going to do the same design that I did with the index finger. So I found working with PolyGel, I'm actually really liking this. Like, I don't think I would ever get away from builder hard gel, but this is a very close runner up in what I am used to and would like to work with. For the thumbnail, I'm going to do a full nail of the glitter mix. I did go back on top of the thumbnail and the pinky nail to go and encapsulate it with some of that clear PolyGel. After all of the nails are complete, I'm just wiping over clean the surface with some alcohol and a lint-free wipey. After that, I'm going to use the 100/180 grit nail file that came with the kit, and then I'm going to be filing the sidewalls, the free edge, and over the surface to shape. I did go in with my fine taper drill bit just to seal that cuticle area. The cuticle area wasn't bad or lumpy at all. I just wanted to make sure that it was fully sealed. like to use a nail brush and some alcohol to make sure all of that dust is removed from any little crease and even underneath the nail. I'm going to add striping tape to the middle nail, and for me, when I have a base coat on, it just helps. So I'm adding a thin layer of base coat, and then I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds. Taking the striping tape, I'm going to line it up with the nail and also looking at my finger as well, flipping it over and making sure it looks straight on both sides. When cutting it, I do cut it a little bit shorter than the nail, so once I add a top coat, it just sticks and holds better. So right now I'm adding some of that base coat, and then I'm not going to cure it. I'm actually going to add the stones right on top of this and then cure it for the full 60 seconds. I added a small amount of the clear polygel to my pinky and my thumbnail, and I'm going to add the crystals with this. I wanted to compare what's better, either adding the polygel or using the base coat to stick the rhinestones on. After securing the rhinestones in place, I'm taking the Sexy Mix top coat and I'm going to apply it to all of the nails, and then I will be fully curing it for 60 seconds. And this is the final look. I'm so happy with how these turned out, and it was super easy to achieve, and I really like the fact that I was able to create a full look with this kit. If you're interested in buying this kit, I'm going to leave it linked below, and I believe they also have an extra 80% off of clearance going on right now. As always, thank you everyone for taking the time out to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media accounts, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.